you doing, you freak? Taking pictures? I'm taking video. I'm taking video. Yeah, put it on YouTube. YouTube! Say what up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? What up, nigga? That's salt line, nigga. You salty. Pinky, what are you doing? Pinky, what are you doing? I don't. She can't get up. You don't? Yes, that's salt live. You already know. Here, what are you doing? Now here.
Want to take on this one?
No, it's just a video.
Oh, it's just a video? Do a little dance.
No, it's salt live.
Show them how salt life people really do. Oh. Who's that, Pinky? Looks like Pinky. That ain't Pinky. Who's that? Oh, Joey in the float with the shark right behind him. Look at it.
Right behind that.
Oh, shit! Wow.
Oh my God! What the fuck?
This man right here is not jumping in the water. They can get in the water. This girl, who is she? About to get pushed back in the water.
As he has.
What was it? A sea cucumber?
That sea cucumber. Sorry. Record everything. Don't drop my phone. My phone. Don't drop my phone. Thank you. Come here. Come on.
Whoa.
Oh shit, come on.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm all wet.
Peace out.
Hey, grab that.